Okay, everyone, we made it here to the terminal in Miami. We're about to go board the ship. Good morning, everybody. It's cruise day today, guys. That's right, guys. It is our beginning of the Navigator of the Seas series. We had this one planned for a few months now, so again, I am super excited for this Navigator of the Seas series. We're heading down to Port Miami. It's so early. It's literally 6:10 in the morning. It's almost time to head to Port Miami. Well, you can't see me. I'm outside now, but it's really foggy out, like really bad. But it's cruise day. I'm gonna go get the light now. There we are. We are fixed now. I think the mic's in the shop, but again, cruise day. We just packed all the luggage up yesterday so we can get up super early and get on the road. Again, tips: pack your luggage, do everything that you can so you can get on the road super early. Okay, we made it here to the terminal in Miami. We're about to go board the ship. I'm gonna pick you guys up when we board the ship. We're just about to board the Navigator. Check-in was super fast. So let's go board the Navigator. We're on board. Oh, everyone, we made it on board the Navigator of the Seas. This is a Voyager class ship, if you guys were wondering. We're gonna go head up to El Loco Fresh for some Mexican lunch. Let's go do it. Before making our way up to deck number 5, I want to point this out, guys. Cool new feature. They just redid the elevators in dry dock, which was in February, if you guys don't know. Look at cool new features. Usually other ships, they are old-fashioned kind, but no, these are new elevators here on board the Navigator Seas. Okay, folks, we made it here to the beautiful pool deck on the Navigator again. Brand new. This is the first Royal Caribbean ship to feature this new style pool deck. Anyway, we're gonna go to El Loco Fresh and grab some lunch. Alright, everyone, for lunch I got the nachos, tacos, and a quesadilla. Overall, this was a very good lunch on board the Navigator of the Seas. Again, El Loco Fresh is pretty good. So now I am planning to go to the Flow Rider. Rode the Flow Rider for a few hours. It was very fun. I guess this wave is way different than the others. Again, if I were you, hardcore into flow riding, I would not come directly onto this wave. This is not a must-do wave. I'll put a number, probably one of my third now best waves. Alright, everyone. Well, we're here. We just exited the helipad. We got some footage. We're gonna insert it right now. Well, again, hopefully you enjoyed that shots from the helipad. This was very cool because we're going to be going forward into the channel. Like if we're going to go that way to exit Port Miami. Also, believe it or not, we're going to be doing a turnaround, like I was saying, in the basin. Anyway, now it is now time for muster. So I'll see you right after that. Alrighty, everyone, it is. We just did muster again. It was super long because you know the old-fashioned. I mean non-quantum and Oasis class ship musters are kind of slow, so just be advised about that. But anyway, I'm changed, and it is now time for a sail away from Port Miami.
goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by.
Alright guys, we just had an amazing sail away from Port Miami. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the time lapse. Anyway, now I am heading down to the Diamond Club. So I'll see you there.
3 hours later.
Alright everyone, we made it back from dinner. And for dinner tonight I got the seasoned fruit melody. Also I got slow roasted prime rib. And for dessert I got the apple pie. Alright everyone, that is it for Navigator of the Sea episode 1. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Tomorrow we are at Perfect Day at Coco Cay. I got some huge plans for there, so I'll see you there.